In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Zapier. If you want to automate scheduling tasks, create workflows between apps, or simply save time by syncing calendar activity with other tools, this is a great place to start. Connecting Google Calendar to Zapier only takes a few moments, and once it's set up, you'll be ready to use it in your automations. To begin, open Zapier and look to the left-hand side of the screen. There, click on App Connections. This is the section where Zapier stores and manages the apps you've linked to your account. If you ever need to update, bug, reconnect, or remove an app later, this is also where you'll come back. Once you're in the App Connections area, click on App. This will take you into the part of Zapier where you can browse or manage available app connections. If your screen looks slightly different, just look for the area related to connected apps or adding a new app account. Next, move to the upper right side of the page and click Add Connection. This opens the tool that lets you search for the app you want to connect. It's basically the starting point for linking any new service to your Zapier account. In the search field, type Google Calendar. As you type, Zapier will usually begin suggesting matching apps. When Google Calendar appears in the results, click on it to select it. Make sure you choose the correct Google Calendar option so your connection is set up properly. After selecting Google Calendar, click Add Connection. This tells Zapier that you're ready to link your Google Calendar account. At this point, Zapier will begin the authorization process. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be guided through signing into your Google account if needed, and then reviewing the permissions Zapier requests. These permissions allow Zapier to interact with your calendar for the automations you create. Take a moment to read through them so you understand what access is being granted before continuing. Once you approve the prompts, the connection should be completed, and Google Calendar will be added to your Zapier account. From there, you can start using it in Zaps to create events, update entries, or trigger actions based on calendar activity. As a quick tip, if the connection doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or return to the App Connections section to confirm it was added successfully. And if you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check that you connected the one you actually want to use for automation. That's it. You've now connected Google Calendar to Zapier, and you're ready to start building your workflow.